Hi there, how are you? So today I'd like to talk to you about formula columns. With this you can use BI4ALL code in your columns and manipulate data, like make some calculations, work with dates. There's a whole lot of stuff you can do with them. And they are available both for your Dynamics 365 system and for model-driven apps. I got an example here. Let's say you are running some kind of help desk business, and depending on the priority of the case, so is the service level and response time going to change accordingly. So at the moment we got this case with the priority low, but let's change it to normal and see what happens to service level and response time. So change, save, and service level went from 3 days to 2 business days, and the response time also came down. Now let's change this to high and save, and now we got 1 business day service level and the response time much lower. So these are 2 formula columns, one of them working with text, the other working with numbers, and both performing just the way we want. So give them a try in your system and tell me how it went. Bye.